Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add seconds to your time located at the right bottom corner on your taskbar. So here, let's go start. First of all, what you need to do is that press the Windows key and R as in Romeo, which will bring you run box. Just type over there regedit, which is already written over here, which is a shortcut to registry. Click on OK. Because for making that change, we need to directly go to the registry. Here we are. You need to click on yes on this prompt. It will show you a window like this. Over here you need to go to the certain location, so just follow me. So here we are, it is H key user. Next to it you need to go to the software. Once you're inside the software, go for the Microsoft. After that, go for the Windows. Once you're inside the Windows, go for the current version, which is just next to it. After that, go to the Explorer. Once you're inside the Explorer, again expand it. One more last step, go to the Advanced, and then once you're inside the Advanced, just do a right click on it. As soon as you do a right click, go to the New and then divert 32-bit value. It will automatically show you a screen like this. Now over here we need to edit it, so just type over here and make sure that you type exactly what I type over here, otherwise this will not gonna work. So show seconds in system clock. Once you type that in, push enter. Again push enter so that it can open it up and change the value data from 0 to 1. Click on OK. As you're done with that part, now you can exit off the screen. Now you just need to restart your computer. As soon as you restart, it will gonna bring up that up for you. So here we are. Let's click on restart. Now over here at the right bottom corner you can see it is showing the seconds as well. So this is how you can let your Microsoft Windows show you your seconds as well over your time clock. So this is what it is, guys. If you like this video, do like it, please share it, and if you have any comment or any problem while doing anything, just type on the comment sections below. I will reply to it, and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep on receiving these type of updates. Thank you. Bye bye.